Hello guys, good day to all of you. Uh, Today I am going to talk about 2025 uh, new release film Superman. Uh, Superman is upcoming American superhero film based on the uh, from DC Comics, written and directed by James Gunn. It will be the first film in the DC Universe, produced by DC Studios and the second reboot of the Superman film series. The film stars uh, David Cornswet as Clark Kent, Superman, alongside uh, Richard Brosnahan, Nicholas Hoult, Eddie Gathegi, Anthony Carrigan, Nathan Fillion, and Isabella Merced. Uh, the film explores Superman's journey to reconcile his alien heritage with his adoptive human family. Uh, Developing on sequel to the DC Extended Universe film Man of Steel 2013 began by October 2040. Uh, oh, Plans changed after trouble producing Justice League 2070 and the Man of Steel sequel was no longer moving forward by May 2020. Gunn began work on new Superman film around August 2022. In October, he became co-CEO of DC Studios with producer Peter Safran, and they began work on new DC universe. Uh, the subtitle was dropped by of the end of February 2024 when filming began in Svalbard, Norway. Production primarily look place at uh, Trelite Studios in Atlanta, Georgia. Uh, All Star Superman 2025, Grant Morrison, Frank Whiteley, among others. Superman is scheduled to be theatrically released by Warner Bros. Pictures in the United States uh, on July 11, 2025 in this year. It is said to be the first film of the DCU's Chapter 1 Gods and Monsters. Okay, that's the fall. I am stopping this video. Having the hope beginning more information about this in the later. Subscribe to the channel to know more information like this. See you in the next video. I will back later. Thank you.